writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Welcome to day 2 of quarantine vlogs. So today's events include me attempting to thread my own eyebrows. So we're just cleaning them off with some micellar water, getting rid of all my bodily fluids, getting rid of all the oils off my eyebrows, because they're like real hairy and like I don't vibe with them at the moment. I don't know if it's gonna hurt like as bad, because you know, like when you do stuff to yourself, it doesn't hurt as bad when you do it to yourself than when someone does it to you. Hopefully that made sense. I thread my eyebrows for the lols, and then I'm thinking I might find a face razor and shave off my face. Okay, let's move to my bedroom. Okay, so we're in my room. So I'm going to be taking cotton wool, which is probably not a good idea. I'm gonna grab a lengthy amount. I don't even have scissors, so these are my teeth. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna go get a hair tie. I should have a scrunchie here somewhere, actually. I do. Okay. I'm also gonna change. Okay. I know it's gonna get like sweaty up in here. So these are my eyebrows before. I'm gonna quickly take a before photo so that just in case they actually look snatched, then I know what to do, bro. I took a before photo and I look like a damn fish. And there's so much freaking hair. It's not even funny. That moves really well. Ooh. I've gotten a few hairs, but like nothing. How do people? Oh, I don't want to cut. Oh, that worked. Oh. Oh no, I don't want to get rid of those ones. Hell, that's my skin. It's so hard. That's not the spoolie. Oh no. Don't want to take the tail of my eyebrow. My nose is in the way. Can I just like chop it off or something? Oh. We've got some progress. I'm not getting better at all, but... Hello! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Say hello. Hello. Bop. Stop it. I am Bebe. Time to get started on this side. I have this big like weird arch, as you can see. It kind of grows like hair further here, but not like a bald spot in the middle, which I hate so much. It keeps getting caught on the same part of skin. Ow. Ow. I'm just gonna try and go through and pluck them now. My mom has a little facial razor, so we gon' shave my face. Took off a bit of my sideburn. Hell yeah. I hate this hair up here. This is what made me go, I want to shave my face. tiny head. My face is now shaven. There's even more than this, but look at all this hair. That was all on my face. Oh, just wait till I exfoliate. Oh my god. Look how dewy and glowy my skin is. Like, yeah, I've got all my imperfections, like, but my skin is so soft. Once my imperfections go away, you ain't ready for when they go away. Like, I couldn't even imagine my foundation on this. Ooh. Yeah, so obsessed with the eyebrows. All I need is lash extensions now, or something to make my eyelashes grow. Like, I did my own lash extensions for a little video, but like just a funny haha. And then I woke up the next morning and they were all falling out. But a lot of them took my actual lashes with them, which was very good. But yeah, so that is my skincare for my quarantine days. My hair is so gross. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you later. Bye!
Yeah. Oh, tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.